Make cleaning inside and outside the home quick and simple with RYOBI's compact power scrubber. The powered spinning brush makes removing dust, dirt, and grime effortless. This 15cm medium brush head spins at 210 RPM and is ideal for cleaning brickwork, concrete, glass, cladding, outdoor furniture, guttering, tiles, barbecues, grout, lino flooring, and wood. The tool is Ipx7 Rated, which means it can be dipped or fully immersed in water or cleaning chemicals, and the battery compartment keeps your battery clean and dry. When used with our 5 amp hour lithium plus battery, the compact power scrubber can work for up to 155 minutes, plenty of time for all your cleaning projects. This compact power scrubber is sold as a bare tool, allowing you to build on your ONE+ collection without the need to pay for additional batteries and chargers. As part of the ONE+ system of great tools for your home and garden, this essential cordless compact power scrubber will work with any ONE+ battery.